What are the pros and cons of an FHA loan? I'm Brent Altilio, your mortgage teacher. Today we're going to be looking at FHA loans specifically. Now, when you have a customer applying for a mortgage, there's typically two different types of loans that they can get. One is FHA, which is a government-backed product, and the other is a conventional loan, which is a bank-backed product. So I'm going to look at today 4 pros and 4 cons of FHA loans. First of all, the first pro of an FHA loan is that it requires less money down, only 3.5% down. So if you have a borrower that has less cash, an FHA loan could be a great way to go. 3.5% down in down payment, and then closing costs usually equals about 6% total cash to be brought to the table at closing. The second pro of an FHA loan is that you can get a better interest rate. That's a really important thing for a lot of buyers, and it makes sense because it's a 30-year commitment generally. A better interest rate is one of the pros of an FHA product. The next thing is that there's more leniency in the credit requirements of an FHA product. So if your borrower is a little bit less qualified, they might qualify for an FHA loan. And last, there's a higher allowable DTI, or debt to income. So if your borrower has more debt and less income, an FHA product would be the way to go. But there's also some cons to FHA products. The first is that mortgage insurance cannot be canceled with an FHA loan. Conventional products, mortgage insurance does cancel eventually, but not with FHA products. Another disadvantage is that FHA offers on homes are oftentimes less attractive to the seller, so it's a less competitive offer if you're bidding for a house. The third con of an FHA product is that the house has to be owner occupied. Now, it could be a duplex, triplex, up to 4 units, but the borrower has to occupy one of those units as their primary residence, so it can't be used for investment. And the last con is that there are government fees that have to be paid up front on an FHA product that don't exist with conventional loans. I hope you've learned something new about FHA loans from this video. Go ahead and hit like or subscribe, and I will see you next time.